Are you feeling disconnected, frustrated, or unfulfilled? Do you ever wonder why your prayers don't seem to be answered, or why your goals feel so hard to achieve? What if the secret to aligning with the universe's energy and manifesting your dreams lies in a simple concept you've probably heard before, but may have never fully understood or applied? Welcome to our channel, where today we will discuss Ralph Waldo Trine, his philosophy of tuning in with the infinite, and how you can use it to transform your life. If you're ready to unlock the hidden power within you and discover how to manifest your dreams effortlessly, keep watching. Ralph Waldo Trine was an American author, mystic, and lecturer whose books sold over 1 million copies worldwide. He was known for his ability to explain complex spiritual concepts in simple terms that anyone could understand and apply. His most famous work, In Tune with the Infinite, published in 1918, teaches a practical method for connecting with the source of all creation and harnessing its power for personal transformation and abundance. According to Trine, we are all connected to a higher reality that he called the infinite, which is the source of all life, energy, and intelligence. This infinite source is not a personal God who judges or rewards people, but rather a field of potentiality from which everything in the universe manifests. Trine believed that by tuning in with this infinite source, we can access its power and create our desired reality. He said that the universe responds to our thoughts and feelings, and that we can shape our future by aligning with the infinite. So, what does it mean to tune in with the infinite? According to Trine, it means silencing the mind, quieting the emotions, and getting rid of distractions so that we can hear the voice of the universe. It means cultivating a state of inner peace and harmony, where we are in sync with the natural rhythms of life. It also means releasing resistance and accepting what is with grace and gratitude. By tuning in with the infinite, we can tap into a flow of abundance and creativity that can manifest our dreams and fulfill our potential. To illustrate his point, Trine used the analogy of a tuning fork. He said that we are like tuning forks that vibrate at a certain frequency, and that the universe is like a sounding board that responds to our vibrations. If our frequency is low and out of tune, we will attract negative experiences and circumstances that reinforce our beliefs of lack, fear, and separation. But if we raise our frequency and align with the higher notes of love, joy, and connection, we will attract positive experiences and opportunities that support our growth and prosperity. Here are some ways to tune into the infinite according to Trine's teachings. Number 1. Spend time in solitude and silence. By spending time alone without distractions, we can quiet the mind and connect with our inner selves. This can be done through meditation, prayer, or simply sitting in nature and observing the present moment. During these times, we can listen for the voice of the universe guiding us and offering insights. Number 2. Practice gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude is a powerful way to align with the infinite because it focuses our attention on the abundance that already exists in our lives. By appreciating what we have, we open ourselves up to receiving more blessings. We can express gratitude through prayer, meditation, or simply taking time to notice and appreciate the beauty around us. Number 3. Cultivate positive emotions. Our emotions are powerful tools that can either tune us into the infinite or pull us away from it. Positive emotions such as love, joy, and peace can help us connect with the flow of the universe, while negative emotions such as fear, anger, and resentment can create resistance and block the flow. We can cultivate positive emotions through practices such as yoga, affirmations, and acts of kindness. Number 4. Release resistance and control. Resistance and control are major obstacles to tuning in with the infinite because they imply a lack of trust in the flow of life. When we resist what is happening, we create tension and stress that prevent us from being in harmony with the universe. To release resistance, we can practice acceptance and surrender, letting go of the need to force outcomes and allowing life to unfold naturally. Number 5. Follow your intuition and inspiration. Intuition and inspiration are valuable guides that can lead us to our highest potential. They are messages from our higher selves or the universe, urging us to take certain actions or make specific choices. To follow our intuition, we can pay attention to our gut feelings and inner guidance, and to inspiration, we can open ourselves up to new ideas and possibilities. By following these steps, we can tune into the infinite and harness its creative power. However, it is essential to remember that tuning in with the infinite is not a quick fix or a magical solution to all of life's problems. It is a lifelong journey that requires patience, dedication, and persistence. There will be times when we get distracted or discouraged, but by staying committed to our spiritual practice and by integrating its principles into our daily lives, we can maintain our connection with the infinite and experience its transformative power. Now, let's look at some inspiring quotes by Waldo Trine that can help us tune in with the infinite. Faith is the key to the higher self. Without faith, we cannot believe in the infinite or trust in its power. Faith is essential to silencing the mind and quieting the emotions so that we can hear the voice of the universe. All is possible to him who does not say it is impossible. This quote encourages us to have a positive mindset and believe in the limitless potential of the universe and ourselves. By adopting a can-do attitude, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Mind is the sculptor, and circumstance is the clay. This quote emphasizes the power of our thoughts and beliefs in shaping our reality. We are not victims of circumstance, but rather creators of our own destiny. Whatever you conceive to be true, whatever you sincerely believe to be true, that will make its appeal to the infinite and eventually come about. This quote highlights the importance of our intentions and beliefs in manifesting our desires. By focusing on what we want and believing it is possible, we can align with the infinite and bring our desires into fruition. We are all connected by an invisible web of life. This quote reminds us that we are not alone and that we are part of a greater whole. We are interconnected with all living beings and the universe itself. Peace comes from the understanding that all is well. This quote encourages us to cultivate inner peace by accepting and embracing the present moment. Peace is our natural state of being, and it is available to us whenever we choose to access it. Life is a series of experiences, each of which has its purpose. This quote helps us see challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Every experience has a purpose and can contribute to our evolution. As you continue on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth, we encourage you to embrace the wisdom of mystics like Waldo Trine. Their teachings can provide valuable insights and guidance as you navigate the complexities of life and seek to connect with the deeper meaning of existence. Remember, you are not separate from the source. You are the source in motion. Embrace your innate connection to the universe and allow it to guide you towards your highest potential. And, as always, thank you for watching and being a part of our community. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to show your support by giving it a like and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more insightful content for you. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We've got plenty more insightful content coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.